riders! Welcome back to Bike Trica, your home for everything 2 and 3 wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly luxurious, the new 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike. This beast isn't just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece built for comfort, class, and long-distance touring. So, let's find out why this new trike is turning every head on the road. Design and build quality. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike is a showstopper in every sense. It features a bold aerodynamic design, chrome finishes, and a perfectly balanced 3-wheel stance. Honda has re-engineered the rear structure for improved stability and handling, making it ideal for riders who love touring without sacrificing balance or comfort. The wide, premium seats and large windscreen give it a luxury car-like feel on 3 wheels. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or should we say under the tank, the Gold Wing Trike houses a 1,833 cubic centimeters 6-cylinder engine that delivers incredibly smooth power. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, it offers seamless gear shifts and unmatched touring performance. Whether you're cruising highways or climbing hills, this trike glides with effortless power and torque. Technology and features. Honda went all in with the latest tech for 2025. The Gold Wing Trike comes with a full-color 7-inch TFT display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rider modes, and hill start assist. The advanced reverse assist system makes parking or maneuvering in tight spaces simple and stress-free. Plus, the premium sound system adds to the luxurious touring vibe. Comfort and ride experience. If comfort had a name, it would be the Gold Wing Trike. The heated seats and grips, adjustable windscreen, and superior suspension make long rides incredibly smooth. The new independent rear suspension ensures stability even on uneven terrain, giving both rider and passenger a relaxing, confident ride every time. Safety and braking. Honda has loaded this trike with top-tier safety tech, ABS, traction control, and airbag system, a rare feature for motorcycles. The 3-wheel setup provides extra road grip, especially during cornering or braking at high speeds. It's luxury with peace of mind. Final verdict. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. With power, technology, comfort, and Honda's legendary reliability, this machine is built for those who crave ultimate touring freedom. Whether you're a solo rider or love to take your partner along, this trike delivers an unforgettable experience every mile of the way. That's all for today, riders. If you love this review of the new 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Trica for more thrilling bike updates and reviews. Until next time, keep the throttle open and the spirit high.